Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python program, and today's problem is that we take two strings as input and find out these strings are anagram or not. What is anagram? In Python, what are the difference between shorted and short function? Hello friends, I am just within the Pycharm IDE, and today's problem is that in Python we write a code for taking two strings as input and find out these strings are anagram or not. What is anagram? Suppose we can form a string by arranging the characters of another string. For example, race. It contains R-A-C-E. Now, if we arrange this character and form care, C-A-R-E, these two words or these two strings are known as anagram. Okay, we can take another example like triangle and integral. These two words are arranged with same type of character but in different arrangement. So if two strings like that, they have same character but arrangement is different, then we can say these strings are anagram. Okay. Now, how to write this program in Python? So at first we take two inputs as a string and then we check that these two strings are anagram or not. In that case, we are using a function in Python, sorted, and here I am using the function sorted. Okay, so at first we write the code. So at first we just write str1 where we store our first string. So we take input, so just write input, and within parentheses just write within double quote enter the first string and put a colon and then double quote end and then parentheses close. Now we take another variable str2 and same way we write input function and within double quote just write same way enter the second string. Okay, and then put a colon and double quote end parenthesis close. So str1 takes first string and str2 takes the second string. Okay, now we just organize these two string, means we are sorted. Now we just whatever we take the input just convert into lowercase character. So that's why we are just write str1 equal str1 dot lower, means we are just call the method lower and it just convert all the character in lowercase, because we know the uppercase and lowercase ASCII values are different. So that's why both string at first we convert into lower cases. So same way just write str2 equal str2 dot lower. Okay, now what happened? We should check. What do we check? We check its length at first. So just write if len str1 equal len str2. Okay, then put a colon and then we put our statement, and what we should sort the particular string 1 and string 2. So we take another variable sorted underscore str1 and after we just put equal and just call sorted method, just write sorted and send as argument str1, and same way just write sorted underscore str2 equal, again we call sorted and send as argument str2. Now here I am using a function, inbuilt function in Python, sorted. Now there another function is there which is short, and what is the difference between short and shorted function in Python? Shorted function shorts a sequence either in ascending or descending and always return a sorted list. Okay, and this function never affect the original sequence. Okay, but the short function, it is similar like shorted function, but it returns nothing and it makes changes in the original sequence. So this is the difference. One is the shorted function and another is a short function, and here we are using this shorted function, not the short function. Okay, now after what, again we check a condition if shorted underscore str1 equal shorted underscore str2. Okay, then put a colon, and then we just print if these two shorted strings are equal, then we just print str1 plus, means we just concatenate and just write within double quote, put a space and just write and, again put a space and then again concatenate and just write str2, again concatenate and just write within double quote are anagram. Means if they shorted underscore str1 and shorted underscore str2 are equal, then we can say these two strings are anagram. Okay, else just write print str1 plus, within double quote put a space, just write and, then put plus str2, then put plus, and within double quote just write are not anagram. Okay, and we just end the inner if else part, and just outer if have also the else part, just write else, and same way just write print and just write str1 plus, within double quote just write, put a space and just write and, double quote end plus str2 plus, and within double quote just write are not anagram. Okay, so we just write the code within that file string underscore anagram.py, because this is a Python file. So just run this code, just go to the run and choose string underscore anagram. Yes, enter the first string. So just write, we already told, just write res. Enter the second string, just write care and just enter. Res and care are anagram, because care and r have some not have any space. Why? Because we don't put here any space actually, just put here a space, just put a space. And another change is that we just write the enter in capital E. And again if you run this code and just write first string, suppose triangle, and then write integral, and then again just enter. Triangle and integral are anagram. Just see, triangle and integral, these two strings are in lowercase, because we already convert this in lowercase. Why? Because if we don't convert, so in that case what happen, the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter, if the letters are same like capital A and small a, both significant differently. Why? Because their ASCII value are different. So at first what happened, we should convert all the character present within that string into lowercase. Then we go for our sorting procedure, and then we check these two strings are equal or not. If again we run this code and same way just write care and just write res, care and res are anagram. Okay, now suppose we take different string. Suppose we write at first as a first string Arnab, and second string just write Kundu. Yes, Arnab and Kundu are not anagram. Why? Because these two strings form whatever the character are different, because first string contain whatever the character is not present within the second string or not similar number. Okay, So I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is that two strings are anagram or not. Means when we form a string by arranging the characters of another string, like race and like care, or triangle like integral, like lots of more examples are there. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any problem or any doubt today's topic is concerned, so please write in my comment section. I will try to solve this problem. So you just write the comment section for any upcoming videos, like whatever you want, then I will try to do some videos on that particular topic. Okay, so please share my videos. If you like this video, please like it, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today, bye bye.